Happykids TV.
Everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Play-Doh four-leaf clover. I think four-leaf clovers are so cool, especially when you find them. I haven't found one yet, but I know people who have. Here's what you need to get started. You need green Play-Doh, and that's it. Let's get started. Let's start by making the four leaves. We are going to add on the stem. Here is my four-leaf clover. I think it looks super cool, and I'm already starting to feel lucky. I think it's because I made this four-leaf clover. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Come back to see what I'm creating next time here on Happykids. See you later.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.